So in this little pouch, I've got 3 traps, kind of miniature traps. I could probably put in a survival kit. Depending on the size of your survival tin, they could probably go in a survival tin as well, but they might take up a fair bit of space. But a little small thing, you know, not much bigger than my hand. They're more intended for birds than anything else. Could possibly catch up with things, but the intention with these traps in here is mainly birds. So I'll show you what we've got in here. So first of all, I've got the pheasant leg snares, or as a pheasant it could go for any bird that walks on the ground, or will land and then walk on the ground. And that's paracord string with a load of snares set on it. Now I've got another video about that. Watch that and then you'll see how to set it up. The second small one is this one. Another another bird leg snare, like a miniature noose mat. And the third one is a modified mouse trap. You see the size of that, very small in my hand. I've modified it like you would a conventional rat trap. I've took some wood off the sides, drilled a lanyard hole, a bit of wood underneath the spring to make it more powerful, and I've reinforced all the parts as well. You can see that more underneath, so it don't all just fall apart, because it's got more kind of strength on it, if you know what I mean. Now these other two you've seen in other videos, but this one you haven't yet. Obviously a mouse trap isn't going to catch anything really big. You could obviously catch mice, anything of a similar size. Depending on what countries you're in, you could possibly catch frogs, toads and stuff like that with it as well, depending on what bait you put on it. But you could also definitely use this to catch small birds. To be honest, I think this would kill small birds easier than it would a mouse. Now you could set this up in a tree, all sorts of different ways you could do this, up on a branch, on a pole, obviously only in a survival situation though. I'll see if I can do some other videos later about how you could set these up, and maybe the rat traps as well. But that's 3 little kind of traps you could put in a survival kit, really small ones, and that'll probably get you some sort of meat, as long as you choose the right animal to go for. Small birds and birds, these would definitely get this one, you know, get slightly bigger birds. A mini noose mat, you can tie that to a tree branch or stake it to the floor, put bait around it. That one, you put it between 2 stakes or 2 trees, laying on the floor, bait between, wait till the pheasant walks over it and gets his foot caught in one of them. And that one, up in trees, on branches, you could quite easily tie that to a branch, berries or whatever on there. Wait till you catch a little bird or something, or you could go for mice with it, depends. Alright, anyway, thanks for watching, I'll see you later.